Here are some easy snacks you can whip up at home. Popcorn. Just pop some kernels on the stove or in the microwave. Add your favorite seasonings like salt, cheese powder, or cinnamon. Yogurt parfait. Layer yogurt with granola and your choice of fruits. Drizzle with Drizzle with honey for extra sweetness. Peanut butter banana toast. Spread peanut butter on whole grain bread and top with banana slices and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Veggies and hummus. Cut up carrots, celery and bell peppers and dip them in store-bought or homemade hummus. Cheese and crackers. Pair your favorite cheese with whole grain crackers. Add some sliced apples or grapes for a sweet touch. Trail mix. Combine nuts, seeds, dried fruits and a few chocolate chips for a quick and satisfying snack. Rice cakes with toppings. Spread cream cheese or nut butter on rice cakes and top with sliced fruits or veggies. Microwave mug cake. Mix flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, milk and oil in a mug. Microwave for a quick dessert. Smoothie. Blend up your favorite fruits, yogurt and a splash of juice or milk for a refreshing drink. Cucumber sandwiches. Spread cream cheese on slices of cucumber and sandwich them together or serve them open-faced. These snacks are not only easy to make, but also customizable to your taste.